Colors alphabet A to Z. I. Aqua. Aqua is a light bluish-green color. It reminds us of the ocean and swimming pools. B. Blue. Blue is the color of the sky and the sea. It's a cool and calming color. C. Crimson. Crimson is a rich, deep red color. It's often seen in sunsets or roses. D. Dark green. Dark green is the color of forests and evergreen trees. It represents nature and growth. E. Emerald. Emerald is a bright green color, like the gemstone. It's the color of shiny leaves. F. Fuchsia. Fuchsia is a bold pinkish-purple color. It's vibrant and fun, like blooming flowers. G. Gold. Gold is a shiny yellow color, like coins or jewelry. It symbolizes treasure and richness. H. Honey. Honey is a golden yellow color. It looks like the color of sweet honey from bees. I. Indigo. Indigo is a dark blue color. It's one of the colors of the rainbow, between blue and violet. J. Jade. Jade is a soft green color, like the precious stone. It's a calming and natural color. K. Khaki. Khaki is a light brown color. It's often used in uniforms and outdoor clothing. L. Lavender. Lavender is a soft purple color. It's named after the lavender flower. M. Magenta. Magenta is a bright mix of red and purple. It's bold and eye-catching. N. Navy blue. Navy blue is a deep blue color, like the night sky. It's often used in uniforms and flags. O. Orange. Orange is a bright, cheerful color like oranges and sunsets. It's warm and energetic. P. Pink. Pink is a soft and lovely color. It's often seen in flowers like roses and carnations. Q. Quartz pink. Quartz pink is a pale pink shade. It's named after the quartz crystal. R. Red. Red is the color of fire and apples. It's bold, bright, and full of energy. S. Silver. Silver is a shiny gray color like spoons or stars. It's elegant and sparkly. T. Turquoise. Turquoise is a mix of blue and green. It's the color of tropical seas and beautiful jewelry. U. Umber. Umber is a dark brown color. It's earthy and natural, like tree bark. V. Violet. Violet is a deep purple color. It's at the end of the rainbow and is royal and mysterious. W. White. White is the color of clouds and snow. It represents purity and simplicity. X. Xanadu. Xanadu is a grayish-green color. It's named after a famous place in poetry. Y. Yellow. Yellow is the color of sunshine and lemons. It's bright, happy, and full of energy. Z. Zinc. Zinc is a grayish-silver color. It's named after the metal zinc.
Little star, how I wonder